Hey guys, Jordan here from beautiful as always Canmore Chrysler in Canmore, Alberta. Just want to talk to you about one of our used heavy duty diesels. This is a 2017 Ram 3500 Cummins with a 6-speed manual transmission in it. It is an SXT with some modifications to it. We have a painted grille and front bumper, LED light bar, black badges, black headlights with some black Bushwaker fender flares. We got some 20x12 fuel turbo wheels with Toyo AT2 tires on it with next to brand new tread. 2-inch leveling kit. The front here has been wrapped with a 3M DuraShield protection on the front to make sure that there's no rock chips on it. It's a 2017 with 18,200 kilometers on it. Super good looking truck. So we'll walk around here for you to check everything out. WeatherTech floor liners in. Since new, it had seat covers on it as well. Since it was new. 6-speed manual transmission, factory exhaust brake, backup sensors, backup camera, AM, FM satellite radio. It is a full crew cab. Rubber floor mat along the back as well. Hard folding tonneau cover, aftermarket exhaust tip, painted rear bumper as well, black badges, again, tinted tail lights, reverse lights left out, so you still have visibility backing up at nighttime. We got a box liner in here. Needs a little bit of a clean. 4 and 7 prong harnesses down here, as well as a 2.5-inch receiver with a 2-inch adapter inside. Trailer tow mirrors. So you can see we got the, sorry, trying to hide from the sun here. We got the 6-speed manual with the manual transfer case here. You can shift on the fly though with that. Air conditioning, power windows, locks. Exhaust brake, backup sensors again. AM, FM, Sirius satellite radio. And then when you want to put, there's your rearview mirror. You put it in reverse right there. Customizable display here, you see just over 18,200 kilometers on it. Got all your vehicle info, tire pressure sensors, fuel filter, oil life, all that kind of good stuff's all going to be in through here. You can go through engine idle and drive time, fuel economy, trip A, trip B, messages, screen setup, all that's going to be all right here for you to customize and go through. You can switch it over to miles per hour too as soon as you hit stateside. Just want to give you a quick walk around in this beautiful truck. It's available here at Canmore Chrysler. Do one more thing, I want to pop the hood because it does have a nice aftermarket cold air intake on it. Nice AFE cold air intake to help the engine breathe a little bit better. Thanks for tuning in, guys. This is our 2017 Ram 3500 Cummins 6-speed manual. Give me a call, 587-999-4267, and we can have this sent home with you today. Thanks.